not going to look at that one there. I don't know who did that one. Not me.
Feeling, I know what you're doing. You're holding your breath a lot.
Yeah. Okay.
Like when you're kickboxing.
Yeah. I need to relax. I need to just.
And that's when you. And then you.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, thanks. That's see, that's stuff that I need to know. I just need to. I need to relax. We're going to start punching our holes for our welds, for our spot welds anyway. These holes aren't really quite big enough to, in my opinion anyway, they're not quite big enough to spot weld to, so I'll take the Christmas tree bit and just open them up just a hair more than that. But this gives us an easy starting point. We're not having to drill a hole completely from scratch. Up to one size. Go ahead and start putting this sheet metal on for hopefully what's going to be the last time. And I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering how come I didn't scratch this down to bare metal. This is all weld-through primer, so I should be able to weld right to it, and everything should be good to go. Let me see here. Get a bolt started to locate. I forgot something. Let's put this on for what is hopefully going to be the last time. Got all my holes drilled, ready for plug welds. Let me put a couple of bolts in here to locate this apron. Fits nice. Speaking of this being weld-free primer, this is the Dynacorn sheet metal. The inner fender and the radiator support both, and I ordered them both with the weld-free primer on those as well. One of the cool things about this AJE kit is that it allows you to cut part of the shock tower out, and that protrusion that was there from the upper A-arm, you can get that out of the way. Really widens up the engine bay. You can actually cut them down to here and get all this extra room, and AJE actually sells a replacement shock tower, but I didn't need quite that much room or the expense really. So we're just going to cut them out like this, and I'm going to cut this part out here and replace this with a piece of sheet metal. Kind of comes down flush with the frame. And also with the AJE kit, all you have to do if you want to change engines right now, engine mounts, and you can get, you know, mod motor mounts, you can get big block Ford mounts, get small block Chevy or LS or big block Chevy mount, do whatever. Whoa, guys, calm down. Put your pitchforks away. We're going forward power. We're going to be like Vanilla Ice, rolling in a 5.0. Except for, well, this isn't a rag top, and, well, I don't got no hair that can blow, but you know what I mean. Okay, now that you're all done having your heart attacks and hissy fits, just know that the point I'm trying to make is you've got plenty of options with this kit. Alright guys, we got the panels welded in. I got my little relief cut welded up. I got my spot welds welded up in the back. Come back next week and I'll probably be finishing out the shock towers, welding them up, and maybe pressure washing the engine to clean it up a little bit. Possibly set it in place to get it mocked up. But who knows what we'll be doing, but we'll be doing something. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.